how to fix Rockstar Games Launcher not opening or working on a laptop or PC. Alright, I'm going to show you 2 methods that can help fix the Rockstar Games Launcher not opening issue. At the end, I'll also tell you what could be the reason for this problem. So first method, go to the bottom search bar and type Windows Security. Then open Windows Security. Now go to the Virus and Threat Protection section. Scroll down and click on Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down again and go to Add or Remove Exclusions under the Exclusions option. On this page, click Add an Exclusion. Then choose the folder option. You need to find the Rockstar Games folder. It is usually in the C drive, so open the C drive. Inside the C drive, go to the Program Files x86 folder. Now find the Rockstar Games folder and select it. Then click Select Folder. You should now see the Rockstar Games folder added there. Minimize everything and open Rockstar Games Launcher. If it still doesn't work, don't worry. Don't ignore the next step. Second method, open File Explorer. Go to this PC. Open the C drive. Then go to the Program Files x86 folder. Find Rockstar Games Launcher, right-click on it, and rename it to _Rockstar Games Launcher. After changing the name, minimize everything and open Rockstar Games Launcher again. If it still doesn't work, the issue is usually caused by broken files, old graphics drivers, blocked permissions or firewall, or missing Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable and .NET components. Got any problem? Share in the comments. Thanks for watching.